When most people think of philosophy, they tend to think of old books or thinkers of the past, or maybe the whole history of ideas. But real philosophy is the love of wisdom. It's a living, breathing process. It's about relationships and curiosity. It's about inquiry, listening carefully, observing, and asking questions, discovering hidden attitudes and beliefs, helping each other open our thinking to new perspectives. It's not just practiced by scholars and professors. It can be practiced by anyone. One of the oldest forms of philosophy didn't come from papers or lectures. It was experienced through dialogue. Dialectic into Dialogos is a Socratic practice that uses dialogue to explore virtue and wisdom. Our 12-week virtual classroom on Awaken to Meaning will help students to build the knowledge, capacities, and confidence to practice philosophy. It's not easy or always comfortable, but when the fire catches, it becomes a meaningful, essential part of our lives.